Okay, this is going to be empty hand countering, or what they call kun tao. It's not the traditional way that I learned it. I learned Kempo from Master Dan Cepeda, and so you'll see a lot of Kempo movements in my empty hands work. But I'm a little tired. But what you need to do is first start off with a good block. Make sure you angle, and your first strike is very important. So make sure it's effective and it really jars the person, and then you'll go on to your next counters. It's very different from what I originally learned, because originally there's a lot of slap blocking, a lot of slapping in the techniques, and now I incorporated more punches, chops, elbow strikes, which a lot are from Kempo. Okay? So it first starts with a good block, and the block is this way. Instead of the traditional 1-2 countering, we still do that, but I pretty much prefer this block. This controls the hand, the weapon, and then this destroys the lane. So the block would look something like this. Boom, right here. The next strike, right here. Boom, chop right here. Boom, boom. And then this movement, you can do a Kempo movement, or you could do a lot of elbow breaks. So you strike to the bicep, turn, elbow break, boom, hammer fist, break, boom, 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 and base of the skull. You'll notice that every strike has a meaning, and every strike should do damage, versus this way, watch. Traditional way, this way. Maybe every fourth hit has power. What I try to do is I make sure that every hit I strike has power. So if you go slow, and practicing slow is very good. Bang, bang. 2. Block, bang. The check, coming up to the rib, base of the skull, elbow break, temple shot. One more time. Block, crack the rib, base of the skull, elbow, and temple shot. Here. Also get your feet and body to move with you. 3. This is the block. Straight to an elbow break. You can shoot to the eyes, go to the temple, kidney, groin shot, boom, base of the skull. Block, break, and go this way, boom, to the rib, chop, boom, and back around. 4. The block, strike. I can start with an elbow shot here, chop, boom, coming through, bang, bang, and a scoop kick. One more time. The block, elbow, bang, come this way, boom, boom, one more time. Block, check, elbow strike, smash, chop, bringing it up, boom, and then finish strike. Boom. 5. So quick parry, shoot right here to the rib cage or the liver. Strike comes, boom, elbow break, bang, circling around, bang. One more time. Parry, boom, break, bang, bang. Okay, 6. Parry to stay left. Parry, break, boom, boom, boom. This is actually you'll see a lot of Kempo. This is the break, bang, 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 bang. Come back around and strike. Or you can stay inside. Parry, strike, strike, bang, 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 scoop. You can now finish with the elbow strikes here. Bang, 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 bang. One more time. Back knuckle, elbow strike. There's a sandwich, chop, bring the left hand up here. You either destroy the shoulder, you go to the chest, and then the kill shot. Boom. Base of the skull. Ready? I'll do it real slow, 1 through 6 now. Very slow. Ready? I'll just feed it just a little. Two.